Hello. I've got a unboxing and review for you of a tactical pen from 2CL Direct. Now, I bought this because, I had one similar to it and I wanted a different one. But right now it's $13.94 on Amazon, but I found this over on Slick Deals. And there was a code, whatever, and I ended up paying $5 for it. So I figured, why not? But it's $13.94 right now, and it is called the Tactical Pen Self-Defense Tool for Survival Military Police Grade Badass EDC Tactical Flashlight plus Glass Breaker plus Ballpoint Pen plus Multi-Tool, 2 ink cartridges plus 3 batteries, gift boxed. Yeah, that is the, the listing there for you. But a gift box, of course, UPC on the bottom, etc. It comes with it's instructions, but whatever it says. It says little light pen, tool card, and attack. Silica gel, of course, whatever. But there's the pen there. It does come with batteries, as you can see. It says 3, but there's 2. It only needs 2 batteries, and there's an extra pen. Ink cartridge there for you. This is the pen here. It's really big. I have another one already, this one here, which I kind of like. This is one reason I got this one. And as you can see, it's slightly larger. It does have the the glass breaker and all that, and it just twists. Doesn't have anything special on it, nothing like that. But this one here, as you can see, it has a clip on it, and it is made of it's aluminum, and there's a tungsten steel tip on it for glass breaker or self-defense, whatever. On the back here is an LED light, which is a little tiny gold bronze button. You push it to turn it on, and that's it. Just a basic flashlight, which is fine. Inside, you take the top off here. There's batteries are in there, and there isn't a there's no O-ring or anything in there to keep the weather out, so not quite waterproof, I guess. For a survival tool, you might think it would be, but whatever. I mean, it's real simple to put one in, not a big deal. First part you can take off, unscrew this, the tip there, and you have your multi-tool, which is screwdriver, bottle opener, basic saw, sort of a knife, but it's not very sharp at all, and then like a little hex wrench for you there. Nothing major. Put this back on, and the actual pen, which this is the part I don't really care about. To get to the pen, you actually have to unscrew it, and then you can use it. You can't even put this on here. You can't do anything. I mean, it always looks like this. Now, see, like this one here, this is actually a cheaper one. It came in a little kit. I like this one better because the pen is always there for you, and it's always ready to be used if needed. This one here, I mean, it's bigger and it's not as thick. This one's thicker. It fits better in the hand, I think. And this one, you can't, like, I thought maybe you could possibly swap these around to put the pen inside, but you can't. It doesn't actually screw. The threads are different on it. So you can't actually put this in there to make it, a pen or something like that. It doesn't actually work. It only fits one way. Which, I don't know. I mean, I guess it's not bad for what it is. I mean, for what I paid for $5. But I wouldn't buy it again. Put it that way. Apparently I had misread the description on it. I thought it could be an actual pen, but it's really not. I mean, you have to take it apart. This one here I actually carried with me. I take it, shopping, whatever. I use it, scratch off my grocery list, and I have it. I mean, I like it. It's well made, and it's a pen. It works fine. This one here from 2CL Direct, it's not bad, I guess, if you're in the market for something like this. But personally, it's, it's okay, but it's just not for me. So just keep that in mind. Thanks.